Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to show you around my room here in Mississippi. So when I left here during the summer, I was unpacking the house with my mom, and the room was just bare and had like the necessities like my dresser, TV stand, bed, blah blah blah. Everything was wrapped. So when I got home, my parents actually decorated it back to when it used to be. So, sorry, I thought I saw something. So y'all get to see, I guess, for the first time the other side of me outside of college. So, mind you, when I decorate my room, I just put like all my favorite things together, and it just has like all these like favorite things. So when I was a kid, I was not that stylish. I don't think I still am today. And I was like, ooh, I like that. We should put that in my room. So that's what we did. So there's like no color coding except for a few things. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you around my room, I guess, because I haven't done it to my dorm room, so I figured why not just do it here. Yeah. And I think I've had this room since my room's been since my sophomore year of high school, because things had to change. Like, I had my room the way it was from Texas to Turkey, and then like just every time I had to move overseas, it changed a little bit, and then when I came back, like, it got like a little more the way it is now, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. So here we go. And this is just a quick video. I just figured I'll just show you my room. I wanted to for a little bit, but I'm just lazy. So I'll just do it now. So we're gonna start here, and you can't see this because we don't have a light at all, but it says Samantha's room. I've had this since I was a little girl. My sister has one too. And so open the door, and we come to my Joker poster. Now I have to take this down usually when my cousins come because they're terrified of it. I don't see what's terrifying of it, but that's just me. And my parents got me this little Santa night light I got here, and this was here, so I think that's cute. And then we're gonna start from the right, and if y'all didn't know, this is my husband, Tim McGraw. I've been in love with him since I was like a kid from the womb. So I have my 3 posters of him, and my really good friends know how much I'm obsessed with him. And then I have my TV stand and this cool dresser. And check this out. I still have some stuff in like these drawers, but I love this drawer because you can pull it out. You like press this down. You can't see it, but you press that down. It comes like that. So I used to have my Xbox in here. I just hooked the cords through there, throughout the end, to the plug. And then, yeah, voila. I thought it was like the coolest thing. That's the whole reason why I wanted this. Okay, it's back to normal. And then I have some old photos of me. Oh my gosh. Me and photos are not good. These were sticky pics in Japan. My best friend, Paige here. Hopefully you get to meet her soon. I'm so excited to see her. And we had my friend Konami. And then just my sister's friends, and then that's from one of my birthdays. And then I actually made this. It was a puzzle, but it turned into a 3D puzzle. I love horses. And that's my sister and I. And look at this view, guys. This view is like so lit. It's like, that's the bay right there. That's the bay. And like, this is just half the backyard. And then that's our little thing. My dog likes to go to the bathroom out there. But like, there's a walkway out there. And it's just so cool. That's the other side of the backyard. So you can see more of the bay. And then there's the pier right there. Woo. We go fishing out there. I haven't done it yet, but my dad and my sister did when she was here. And then we have my Batman clock. This is my dresser, by the way. It's like the same. It's a matching to that one. So I have my dresser and my Batman clock, some jewelry I made. My grandfather gave this to me because I love trucks and he loves trucks. It's a Ford F1 pickup from 1948, and I love it, and I want one. And that's just the jewelry holder, my little jar, because I love jars. And I have the pink going on. I love pink and black. And then some other colors I like are blue and purple. And my grandmother, one in Delaware, loves making these things. So my mom, I don't know why she does this, but I come home and these are always here. I have a rabbit. Don't know what that one is. And 3 humans. Then I have my pillows, bedspread. We got this at Bath and Body Works in Nebraska, I think. So yeah, I love it. I got this from Bath and Body Works too. I have so many pillows in my dorm room. And then above my bed I have Batman. So I have Batman protect me. Then I always get to look at my husband because they're both like my husbands. So cool. And then I have just a graduation necklace. My Scentsy. And then this little thing's like a bed stand, but I have my musical stuff in here because I used to play instruments and I still work on it sometimes. So yeah. Got my music books, I got my suitcase, got my piano, and I have my music poster on different things because music's a big part of me. And I actually have a guitar in Delaware. And then lastly, to end this, I have my little stand where I like to keep all my knickknacks and stuff close to me. Also, I have stuffed animals in here. I did not know they put this in here until now. This is my first bear I ever had. It's my childhood bear named Barry. I love polar bears, and I love bears. So I have this one. And then I got this in Build-A-Bear Workshop. This one's an old one. I used to sing Happy Birthday, but that went out. You just pressed it right there, but it went out during the sleepover. And then I have Batman again. And I have all of these books I still have to read. I love old books. I'm working on Dante's Inferno right now. And then I have my globe because I love traveling and I don't know the world by heart, so I like looking on here. And then I have a walking stick. So I collect these things too. So when I go to a park or something, oh no, it's falling. No, my Dixie Stampede flag is falling. I went to the Dixie Stampede. That was in another video. Branson. I was on the south side. Whoop, whoop. But yeah, back to the walking stick. I have been to all of these ones. I'm working on getting more, so go to a national park, and then you can get these and get a stick and just hammer them on there. I think this is a really good thing to have, like so you remember stuff. I like having memories, so that's why I love photos, my pins, stuff like that. And then lastly, I guess I'll show you this. I made this, me and my sister. This is just a little box I like to keep memories in. But yeah, so it's me and my sister. And that's about it.